Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add privacy policy checkbox in registration form in my account page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now we are in my account page. On right side you see register form. So we are going to add checkbox. Now go to WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to add custom code using WP code plugin. In search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see label, so you can add your text here. Now you see I have read and accept the privacy policy, and you can add your privacy policy link here. Scroll down, you see error, privacy policy is required, so you can add your custom text here. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page again and refresh the my account page. Now scroll down, you see checkbox we added using code. Now you see privacy policy page link. In code you can add your page link. Now fill this form. So I added some information and uncheck this box. Now click on register. Now you see error, privacy policy is required, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.